everyone. Let me introduce you to Lucas and his family. He said that, "Hi, I am Lucas." Now he will introduce his family. He said that, "Let me introduce you to my family. This is my dad. He is my superhero. Meet my lovely mom. She is so caring and kind. Here's the baby, always ready to play. Hi, I am Lucas." Now it's a family turn to say about themselves. I am the dad and I love exploring new things with Lucas. I am the mom and I love baking yummy treats. And he is Lucas. He has a perfect family and he was so lucky. Do you also think what I think? That's my family on vacation. Let's listen to what his family say. I am the mom and I make delicious cookies. I am the dad and I love playing with Lucas and his friends. Wow, his family was so good. Now it's time to play with Lucas. Are you ready to see? Now he will play instruments. Oops, his dance is amazing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you ignore this video, Lucas will be upset. Wow, he plays ball so amazing. I think he was so innocent. Wow, he has so many toys. Do you remember my name? Yes. I am Lucas. L-U-C-A-S. Lucas. Do you remember his name? Thank you for watching this video.